Last weekend in the FPL, it was disastrous for a couple of people. Why? Because Cole Palmer did not play. Cole Palmer did not play last weekend. Yeah, so let's get into the FPL clinic, and we'll be getting into some issues with, yes, who to buy, who to monitor, who to sell. And big shout outs going out to Holy Shand for the graphics. Yeah, big shout outs going out to Holy Shand. Anyway, so this weekend, players to keep your eyes on. I know a lot of people complain about Matthias Cunha, but he's coming up.
Part of them.
Calm down. He's coming up against a Burnley side, and he could actually get onto the score sheet. Antoine Semenyo is one guy you should actually look out for. You could actually purchase him coming up against Tottenham. Tottenham have an interesting defense. Yeah, they're good. They haven't conceded yet to concede, but Antoine Semenyo so far has had a hand in all the goals for Bournemouth. He scored 2 and assisted 1. And also Chris Wood is in there. Higo Ekitike is one player you should actually monitor. But if you have room, you can bring him in for this weekend. Brandon Johnson, another player who has been deployed and found a very interesting way of playing off the left of Tottenham, is actually a good shout in this one. Oli Watkins. Yeah, Oli Watkins is coming up against a Crystal Palace side, knowing how he enjoys such fixtures. If you have space for him, look out for him. Now, players that you should outright sell. Florian Wirtz so far has flattered to deceive against teams that he has played in the EPL. He struggled against Bournemouth and then struggled against Newcastle. Yes, and he's one person you should actually sell. Next person, Saka. Saka is looking like he might miss this one. Saka looks like he might miss this game. So please do sell. For Cole Palmer, I would urge you to wait until tomorrow, 9 a.m., where we'll be posting the Chelsea footage from Maresca concerning Cole Palmer, whether he would start or not. For Cole Palmer, I even think that Cole Palmer will rather come back after the international break. So you should also consider parting ways or possibly selling Cole Palmer. But let's quickly get into some captaincy issues as well. Let me just bring you who I think you should. So if you're selling Cole Palmer, some replacements you should consider, again, comes back, hence the Matthias Cunha conversation. Yes, so Matthias Cunha, you should consider him. You should also consider Saka of Tottenham. You should consider Mohamed Kudus and also Semenyo. They are people that you should actually consider. For captaincy, unpopular choice, Bruno Fernandes. Yeah, I'm making a lot of wild, interesting things. Chris Wood, you should also consider him. Erling Haaland, you should consider him as well. Erling Haaland is playing against Brighton. Brighton so far this season have, I think, conceded in all their games. So Erling Haaland is going to enjoy certainly. Yeah, so watch out for that space as well. We'll be dropping the entire footage for the team match later. Anyways, that's as far as that is concerned.